कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय वैष्णवे श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरवैष्णव 30 हरे कृष्ण
Krishna
कृष्ण
Krishna
हरे 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 राम
Hare
राम राम हरे हरे तो मेरे बाल हैं चलना कृष्ण विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सदगुरु भक्ति रामकृष्ण भगवान श्रीमंडल अनंत करी सत्संग धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करता हूँ
Haribol, please check the Hindu sound also. Hare Krishna, please check Hindi sound. Is it okay? So we were discussing about Shishi Prem Samput. There Krishna himself
राधा की प्रेम महात्मा की राधा की मुखारविंद से सुनने के लिए
so he would like to hear the glories of himself from the mouth of Krishna. That's why he has appeared there in the form of Devangana, a heavenly lady. So yesterday we have heard
ये किस प्रकार राधा जी
that how Radhaji
वह देवांगना वेशधारी कृष्ण की जो है परिप्रश्न करने लगे और अनंतर देवांगना वेशधारी कृष्ण अपने को परिचय दिया। वे कहाँ से आए हैं? स्वर्गलोक से। यह तक भी उन्होंने बताया।
Okay, Haribol. So what Krishna told that she has come from the heavenly planet because Krishna's Venudhvani, it's so sweet and it's so attractive. So hearing that the sound of the flutes of the Venu, so that lady have come down and she would like to take the darshan of that person who were playing the flute, and especially at the Vanchivad where Krishna with the gopis. So why the Venu Dhwani, why the sounds of Venu, he assembled all the gopis, and how all the gopis so much eagerly collected there, and that's why she is describing herself that I have heard this sound from the in heavenly planet, and when I heard, that's why I am so much eager to meet that person. And after hearing this word, Srimati Radhika, she was so much happy.
देवरूपी श्री कृष्ण की बात सुनकर श्री राधा ने परिहास युक्त मधुर वाक्य द्वारा कहा,
After hearing the words of the heavenly damsel, Shri Radha spoke sweetly and jokingly, "O most fortunate one, I consider you the most clever of the heavenly damsels in the celestial realm, because only you, your mind cut asunder by the sword of your strong eagerness to meet the flute player,
अतः तुम ही
are trying to find out the source of the flute songs. The other damsels are not trying to trace this source. Radha is saying in this way, what is the meaning actually?
ये एकमात्र
One and only,
की दर्शन करने के लिए
for taking the darshan of Krishna, her heart was so much eager.
वही तो धन्य है। क्या अर्थात मेरी करें राधा जी करें अर्थात मेरी भांति ही तुम
So Radhaji is saying in this way, just like me,
असत्य
you are so much obsessed in Krishna's,
समान हो।
that's why you are just like me.
है? अब इस सुमन की तात्पर्य और भी व्याख्या करें।
So, for this reason, only you can really be called Suman, for only you have an undistributed mind. In other words, you are Suman, because like me, you have become attached to Parapurush Shri Krishna. The purport is that goddess are so intensely eager to attain Shri Krishna's that their minds cannot remain steady, and they are suffering all kinds of severe pains because they always want to enjoy sensual pleasure. Therefore, they cannot think of any solution to suspend their eagerness. First, she said that I am so much eager to take the darshan of Krishna's.
फिर दूसरी अर्थ में बता
And then in the second meaning,
कृष्ण की दर्शन करने के लिए इसको क्या करना पड़ता है?
for taking the darshan of Krishna, what she has to do?
समस्त प्रकार विषय को जो है त्याग देना
She has to given up all kinds of sense gratification.
अपने प्रियजन की संबंध
They have to give up the relationship with their near and dear ones, their relatives, and even their body also.
संबंध भी त्याग देना पड़ता
They have to given up all kinds of relationship with the bodies.
है। आप वो छूट जाता है।
So everything will be give up. So everything will be spontaneously give up.
और
Leave.
उत्कंठा की निवृत्ति कैसे हो उसकी भी चिंता भी नहीं करते हैं? इसलिए उनका सुमन अर्थात सुंदर मन वाली यह नाम व्यर्थ है।
So for them to be called Suman, one with a beautiful mind, is not applicable. This heavenly damsel, on the other hand, not only became eager to meet with the flute player, but she decided to come here and suspend this eagerness by meeting him. Therefore, only she is blessed and only she can appropriate to be called Sumana. Taking this kind so much eagerness,
स्थान पर आए
so she has come in this place.
इसलिए
That's why
आप ही धन्य हो
you are so fortunate.
और अतएव वास्तव में तुम ही सुमना हो। सुमना नाम धारण करना तुम ही शोभा देते है, तुम ही धन्य हो।
So you are so much appropriately to be called Sumana. Radhaji is saying in this
इस
way.
प्रकार राधे के मधुर परिहासपूर्ण वचनों की
When the celestial damsels heard Shri Radha's delightful joking words, a sweet and effulgent smile came upon her lips, and her eyebrows danced slightly. Radha, she said, do not consider
और नारी को अपने समझ
other women to be like you.
अर्थात तुम जिस प्रकार परपुरुष श्री कृष्ण में आसक्त ही हो, मुझे भी ऐसे मत समझ लेना।
So other women to be like you. Do not think that my attachment to your lover Shri Krishna is like yours. Now that I am here, will your lover Shri Krishna be able to control me in the same way he controls you? Ramani, wo heaven Devang Krishna saying.
अर्थात देवांगना वेशधारी
So Krishna is saying in this way in the form of Devangana.
तब राधिका बोली,
Then Radhika said,
किस कारण से इस स्थान पर आगमन किया है?
Shri Radhika replied, I do not know your reason for coming here. But in any case, while you are here, please try to experience Shri Krishna's confidential loving pastimes. What is the need of a relationship with any other man?
राधिका बोली,
Radhika said,
परपुरुष के प्रति आसक्त होना उचित नहीं।
it is not good to attach with a Parapurush.
जो साध्वी
who are the chess lady.
ये परपुरुष के देखने
So after seeing seeing the eagerness to that other person, par purush, it's not good.
तुम्हारा परपुरुष से प्रयोजन क्या है?
What is your prayojan?
राधेगा जी,
Why you would like to meet with that
जैसे
par
भी
purush,
हो,
other?
तुम बोलो तुम्हें
Anyway, what was it that you wanted to ask me?
तुम क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want? Please tell me. Until now I have just been joking and playing with you because you have accepted me as your friend.
तुमने मुझे अपने
Sakhi.
सुखी मानकर अंगीकार किया है। मैं जैसे आपको सुखी समझ
So because just I have accepted you as my friend, so in this way, no,
इसलिए मैं आपके साथ
in this way.
परिहास किया।
I was laughing and joking because I was thinking that you are my Sakhi.
प्रेम पूर्वक परिहास किया। देवांगना वेशधारी श्री कृष्ण
So the heavenly damsels replied, O Sakhi, please continue to joke. Who can defeat you in this art? O Radha, you are more than just a friend to me. You are as dear to me as my very life air.
अपितु तुम तो मेरे
It is true that you are only a human being, but nonetheless, the young heavenly damsels bow their heads when they hear about your purifying qualities.
इस प्रकार ही गुरु कथाओं को नतमस्तक होकर प्रणाम करती है। देवांगना
Devangana said, Hey Radhe,
यह सत्य है,
this is true
ये तुम तो मानुषी, तुम तथापि
that you are the human being, but still,
लोक में रहने वाले जितने भी सखी
who are the person staying in the heavenly planets or the chess lady who are staying there,
कथाओं को नतमस्तक
after hearing your chest Hari Katha, your
तात्पर्य ये है कि यद्यपि
hearing these kinds of Hari Katha, they purify themselves.
सदन की लालसा से मानवीय रूप से प्रकट होकर विहार कर रही
The meaning here is that although Shri Radhika manifests a human-like form, desiring to relish the mellows of different pastime, she is not an ordinary person. In fact, she is the embodiment of the complete potency of the Supreme Lord Shri Krishna, who is the source of all incarnations. It is therefore not surprising that the young heavenly damsels bow down when they hear the narration of her qualities.
यहाँ पर सिद्धांत
What is the Siddhant here?
ऊपर से
Externally, we are seeing Srimati Radhika, she is just like a human being.
किंतु
But actually, Srimati Radhika,
मानवी नहीं,
she is not just a human being,
अरे ordinary
personality.
नहीं
She is not just like an ordinary lady
है।
of this Mrityulok.
इसमें
That's why
ये देव देवियाँ उनकी भी चरण कमल की
so
भी
these
प्रणाम
all the
करते हैं।
demigods and demigoddesses, they are doing the pranam to Radhika. So what the astonished thing is there? Srila Sukdev Goswami descriptions of the advent of Shri Krishna in Srimad Bhagavatam. From 10th canto, 1st chapter, 17 to 23 number shlok is written in the same mood as the above verse 34. Once when Mother Earth was distressed because of the atrocities of the deceitful demons who were dressed like kings, she took the form of a cow and approached Shri Brahma. She cried pitifully as she revealed her misfortune to Brahma. Hearing her narration full of sorrow, Brahma took her and the other demigods to the shore of the milk ocean. There the Supreme Person, Kshirodakshai Vishnu, told Shri Brahma, who was absorbed in meditation, Tat Priyartha Sambhavam tu Surasriya. The wives of the demigods should take birth in Braj for the pleasure of Shri Krishna and his beloveds. Srimad Bhagavatam. Therefore, it is not inappropriate for the heavenly damsels who are fit to be made servant to bow down. So when Krishna will take the incarnation in land, all the demigods who are staying in the Swarga, they have to take birth in the Braj. and they have to give pleasure to Krishna also there.
देवांगना वेशधारी कृष्ण और भी बोले,
So the heavenly damsel said, Sakhi, I will never lie to you, so please do not be embarrassed by me, my praise. My ornamented language was not spoken just to flatter you, and I am not joking out of indifference to you. Really, your beauty, fortune, and other qualities cannot be equaled even by Parvati, nor by Shri Lakshmi, the daughter of the ocean.
सौभाग्य आदि गुणों से तुम्हारे समान नहीं है।
So what's the meaning here? Ananta Koti Vishnu Loka Namra Padmajarja Himadrija Pulojama Pilomaja Prajavara Virinchajavara Apara Riddhi Siddhi Shami Mount Kavakraksh Bhajanam. So that's why.
देवांगना जो बोल रही है,
So the Devangana, she's saying it's true. A similar sentiments is expressed in Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita.
इस प्रकार के वचन
So a similar sentiments is expressed in Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita when Shri Rai Ramanand answers Shri Gaurang Sundar's questions. Yahadra Sauvagya Gora Devajavama Yadatani Kara.
जार सौंदर्यादि गुण वांचे लक्ष्मी पार्वती, जार पतिव्रता धर्म वांच अरुंधति, जार सद्गुण गुणे कृष्ण न पाए पार, जार गुण गणिवे केवल तीजी विचार।
So this is very easy. So in these verses, he explains that even Parvati and Shri Lakshmi pray to attain Shri Radha's beauties and other qualities. Rukmani and Satyabhama, other Manishas, seeing the fortune of Srimati Radhika, they are praying. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, the 10th canto, first 90, first
वक्षस्थल के रंजित कुमकुम रंजित चरण कमल में हम लोगों की जय इसी का रोटी हो। इसमें श्लोक है ना, याद है?
In the 10th canto, 89 chapter or 90 chapter must be there. So there was a shlok where Satyabhama and other Ramnis, they are praying, these all Mahishas, they are praying, they are describing the glory of Srimati Radhika and Braj Ramnis in the 10th canto or 89 or 90 chapters all maybe. That's why Satyabhama, even Lakshmi, Parvati, these all also giving up their chastity, they would like to meet with Krishna. They are so much eager to meet with Krishna. Even today, Lakshmi Devi, after giving up Narayan, she is worshipping, she is doing the austerity in Belvan. She would like to meet with Krishna just because of she is doing austerity, hard austerities in Belvan, in Vrindavan. So in these verses, he explains that even Parvati and Lakshmi pray to attain Shri Radha's beauty and other qualities. Srila Rupa Goswami also written in Shri Ujjwal Neelmani, in Shri Hari Priya Prakarana, he said, Rasagulla, Ragullasa. I heard Rasagulla. Ragulasa
उद्धृत
Vilanghatya Padavi Visyara Payudvara Shraddhar
मुखस्रोति वृंदेनो वंदिता आराध्यो भी माधुरी परिमल वक्षिप्त लक्ष्मी श्रिय सत्रलोक विलक्षणा ददतु व कृष्णस्य सख सुखम यद्यपि ब्रजसुंदरियां
Arundhari and other eminents, chaste women, reverently praise the Braj Gopis' behavior, even though the beautiful young girls of Braj stray from the path of chastity due to being overpowered by their love for Sri Krishna. The Gopis are country girls who dwell in the forest, but their sweetness defeats the beauty of Sri Lakshmi, the queen of Vaikuntha. Within the three words, the beloveds of Sri Krishna are most extraordinary. May they bestow happiness upon you. So in this word it is mentioned that because Sri Radha is the foremost of Sri Krishna's beloved, her madhurya and qualities surpass the qualities of Sri Lakshmi. So Sri Krishna has unlimited potencies, of which three are prominent: his internal spiritual potency, Chit Shakti, his external potency, Maya Shakti, and his marginal potency, Jiva Shakti. Of these three, the internal potency, which is also known as Swarup Shakti, is most prominent. Sachidanand, Sri Krishna's eternal potency, has the three dimensions. So your Swarup Shakti is topmost. So Sachidanand, Shri Krishna's internal potency has three divisions: transcendental bliss, Anand, also called Haladani; transcendental eternal, existence Sat, also called Sandini; and transcendental knowledge, Chit, also called Samvid. So the essence of Haladani Shakti gives bliss to Shri Krishna and to devotees, and it is called Prem, Shri Radha Thakurani. So the highest essence of Prem is Mahabhav, of which Shri Radha is the embodiment. Just like Srimati Radhika is the foremost among Shri Krishna's beloved, and just as Shri Krishna is the source of all incarnation of the Supreme Lord, so Shri Radha is the source of all the expansion of Shri Krishna's beloveds, which includes the Braj Gopis, the queens of Dwarikas and Mathura, and all the goddess of fortune in each of his abodes. Where is Radhika manifested her forms in other abodes? So all the Braj Gopis, they are the expansion of Radhika Rani. Taya Kalabhi. For giving the pleasure to Krishna, Radhaji herself manifested in many forms. In the Vaikuntha, Golok, Dwarika, Mathura, and the Golok Vrindavan. So she has manifested herself in the three abodes, and she is performing the Leelas in this way. In the Vaikuntha, she became Lakshmi; in the Dwarika, in the form of Mahishiyas; in the Braj, in the form of Gopis. So even Srimati Radhika, she is capable to fulfill all the desire of Shri Krishna. But still there is no so much gopis, so there is no so much pleasure, Raser Ullas. So that's why when there are so much gopis, then there is so much pleasure in the ras. So in this way Radharani expresses herself, manifested herself in the many gopis form.
कृष्ण द्वारका और लक्ष्मी क्या वैकुंठ में इतने प्रसन्न प्रसन्न क्यों नहीं?
Why Krishna is not so much happy in
नहीं, ये
Vaikunt?
सब भावना नहीं है।
Because he doesn't have this all kinds of feeling in Vaikunt.
विशेष करके
Especially
ब्रज में
in the
विशेष
Braj,
प्रसिद्ध क्या चीज?
which is so much famous in Braj.
कृष्ण के उल्लास उसी होता है,
Krishna's-
इसलिए ब्रज गोपियां कृष्ण की परपुरुष मान करके उनके साथ
Krishna gets so much pleasure when all the Braj Ramanis thinking that Parpurush is other man.
विवाहित
He is not my husband, married husband. So that's why they are getting so much entangled with that person and getting so much pleasure.
एक मान अभिमान अनेक प्रकार प्रेम की जो एक होता है उसमें उल्लास होता है। राधा आदि गोपियां तो कभी कभी कृष्ण
Radha and other gopis sometimes
ये भी बोल देते
they got man and said to Krishna,
आप थोड़ी मेरा पति थोड़ी
"You are not my husband.
है, तुम्हारे साथ हमारे क्या संबंध?
What is the relationship with you and me? Madhav, Madhav, Jai, Madhav, 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 Kaitava."
है, गीत गोविंद में
So in the Gita Govind,
जयदेव गोस्वामी
Jayadeva Goswami
इतने सुंदर
Pada,
रूप में
he has written so many nice, very nicely there.
माधव माधव जाई
Madhav, Madhav, Jai, hey Madhav, you go, just go, you go out from our kunj.
माँ बद कही तब
Mavad Kaitava.
तुम्हारी जो है ये कैतव यानी कपट वाक्य को हमें बोलने की जरूरत नहीं
So there is no need to speak this kinds of your cheating words to us.
है। फिर उसकी दूसरी अर्थ लगा दी
And there is another meaning is
जब क्रोध शांत हो जाए
when the man was pacified, so then Madhav, Madhav, Jai means
है, इसके अर्थ भी सुंदर लगा दी।
there is a beautiful meaning of that
माँ
Madhav.
माँ माने
Ma means nahi,
नेगेटिव और धब माने
Dhav mane,
जल्दी जाना है।
Dhav means go very quickly.
भावगीति होते हैं ना, जो धब शब्द के लगाए हैं। बोले जल्दी मत जाओ
So, hey Madhav, don't go so fast.
आज
Dhav,
ये शब्द लगा देते हैं। अरे जाना तो तुम्हारे है तुम
you
तो
have to go. You are not my husband. This is true.
है,
But
और हम दोनों एक ही साथ में है, अधिक समय भी नहीं
and we
कर
cannot spend so much time together. This is true. But
सकते। जल्दी जल्दी मत जाओ
but why are you going so fast, just like a horse? Why are you going so fast like a horse?
थोड़ी की समय
So let stay a little bit here.
है, जिसमें माधव माधव
That's why Madhav, Madhav,
डबल आ गया ना
Madhav, Madhav means mat jao, don't go
जिसमें
so
माधव,
fast.
माधव जाहि। माँ बद कोई तब
Mavad Kaitava means
है, तुम्हारे कपट वाक्य की सुने फिर उसके जो दो माँ पिछले होगी ना माँ आगे लगाए
Mavad Madhav.
तू नेगेटिव से नेगेटिव अरे तुम्हारे कोई तो नहीं है तुम कितने सुंदर बात सुन बोलते हो मैं
So you speak so nicely. I would like to hear this. In the Sanskrit,
दूसरे तो घुमा फिरा करके लगा दे और तो अलग हो जाए
if you are making the sentence of the Sanskrit, so you can change the words and meanings also. Your katha is so sweet.
कपट रहता रहित है
This is without the cheating
कोई
propensity.
तो मैं सुनना चाहता
So that's I would like to hear. Radhaji is saying in this way.
और कभी मान रही
Sometimes the man and sometimes after when man is specified.
प्रेम सूचक
So Radhaji in this way saying these kinds of beautiful words to Krishna.
क्यों सदा सर्वदा मान नहीं होता?
Because there is not, always she is not in man.
तो प्रेम की सौंदर्य उत्कर्षता प्रकाश नहीं होती।
If there is always man, so Prem cannot be glorified.
इसलिए
That's why
पर्याप्त में जो
in the Parkitva
चार जो अमुक
there are 4
अस्त्र बताया
weapons which is there.
क्या क्या दुर्लभता
Durlavta.
पहले होता है दुर्लभ
First is Durlavta.
कबू मिले कबू ना मिले
Sometimes they are meeting, sometimes they are not meeting. Then Bhamita.
है और फिर प्रच्छन्न काम का
Prachanata Kamanta Nivarata.
निवारणता
So these 4 weapons
ये
of
समस्त भाव होने के लिए
love.
चार तीन वस्तुएं
परकीयत्व.
चार वस्तुओं के नाम पे प्रेम की सौंदर्यता माधुर्यता प्रकाश होता है सौक्यत्व में ये चार वस्तु जो है
So in the Swakyatva, these 4 kinds of things are not available.
सामान्य रूप में
In a general way,
वामोत्तता दिखा जाता है
Vamita is there.
जैसे सत्यभामा
Just like Satyavama, she got man.
सामान्य रूप में
In a general way only.
है।
But
इसलिए वो वामोत्ता की क्या कहा जाता है
that's Vamita is called Hetu.
परिपूर्ण वामोत्ता नहीं है
This is not. That is not the Paripurna Vamita. Abhas Vamita, yes.
है।
Manabhas.
कि आभास
It is just like a man Abhas. This is called Manabhas.
ये संस्कृति
So this is all showed.
है इसमें राधा जी
So that's why Radha ji,
महिषों की लक्ष्मी हाँ क्या बोले ब्रज की गोपियाँ पूर्व की महिषियाँ और सभी भगवत धाम की लक्ष्मियों का विस्तार होता है.
that's why Srimati Radhika is she is the embodiment of all kinds of incarnation in Vaikunt, Dwarika, Mathura and everywhere.
जब चैतन्य महा
When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
वेंकट भट्ट से मिले
met with Venkat Bhatt after laughing and joking, so Mahaprabhu told these kinds of Tattva Siddhant to him.
बहुत सुंदर इसमें भी कथा.
It is very nicely described there also.
श्री राधा जी इन तीनों की मूल अंशिनी है. और अंशिनी माने
In
यहाँ पर अंश आदि प्रकाश
origin,
यहाँ से
these
अवतार आदि
are-
प्रकाश होते हैं उसकी अवतार ही कहा जाता है. इसलिए कृष्ण के क्या कहा जाता है?
Krishna, Sarvatari, Sarvavatari Krishna.
कृष्ण अवतार नहीं है.
Krishna is not the incarnation, he is Avatari.
मूल अवतार.
He is the origin of all kinds of incarnations.
अवतार तो अनेकों स्थान से प्रकट हुई दिखाया गया.
The avatar, the incarnations comes from many kinds of Karunadakshai,
क्या बोले?
Garvodakshai, even Chirodakshai, Vishnu also.
कुछ अवतारों की जो है
Many incarnations
प्रकाश दिखाया गया.
manifested.
इस समस्त लघु भागवतम मतलब
So in the Laghu Bhagavatamritam, it is described there very nicely.
किंतु
But
कृष्ण
Krishna,
की मूल कहा जाता
he is Mool, he is the origin, he is the Avatari,
है. अवतार ही.
he is the origin of all kinds of incarnation.
मूल जो है. और ये इस प्रकार
So in the same way, Radhika is also
किंतु मूल धारा को क्या कहा जाता है?
Mandakini,
गंगोत्री.
Gangotri, sorry. The Mool, Ganga has so many streams, but the Mool one, the origin one is Gangotri, which is coming from the Himalaya, Uttaranchal.
फिर हजारों
And then there are many kinds of streams coming and going in here and there,
अनेकों धारा कहाँ का वो प्रवाहित होती है.
and they are flowing in so many streams.
उसी प्रकार
In the same way,
कृष्ण के कहा जाता है
Krishna is called Avatari.
अवतार.
Mool Avatari means origin of all kinds of incarnation, and Radhika is also origin of all kinds of manifestation of
है.
ladies, gopis.
तंत्र से भी उद्धित करके कहा है. राधा जी के बारे में कहा है. देवी कृष्ण में
So Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita, Shri Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami quotes Brother Goyatam Tantra, Devi Krishnamayi Prokta Radhika Paradevta Sarva Lakshmi Mayi Sarva Kanishta Samohi Para Sarva Lakshmi Gane Tanma Hana Vishthan Sarva Manudari Kanti Bhajar Jahan Sarva Lakshmi Gane Rasova Haye Yahi Hate. She is the abode of all goddess fortunes. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, in the fourth Parichet, this is described Adi Leela.
समस्त प्रमाणों के द्वारा प्रतिपादित हुआ है कि श्री लक्ष्मी अथवा पार्वती सुभद्रा आदि गुण से राधा के समान नहीं.
So these scriptures evidence establish that the qualities and fortune of Shri Parvati Devi or Shri Lakshmi cannot equal those of Srimati Radhika.
इसी जगत से उपस्थित
So the heavenly dimensions continued. Listen, and I will tell you more. Is any woman as courageous as you in loving affairs? Even in the Vaikunt planets, far beyond the three material worlds, is there a woman who can even imagine that she is your equal?
राधा जी के बराबर तो बहुत बराबर कोई हो ही नहीं सकता. और ये
Krishna is saying no one can be equal to Radharani, and even no one can desire like this.
तुम्हारी ये बात सब गुण तुम्हारी ये सब गुण कथन
These words of praise do not come from my imagination. I have heard your glories in the assembly of Parvati Devi, atop of Mount Kailash. Krishna is saying in this way.
आपके ऐसे गुण
So I have heard these all kinds of glories I have heard from the mouth of Parvati Devi in the Shiva Parvati Samvad.
इसलिए शिव जी
That's why Shivji sometimes he used to tell this all kinds of katha. When I heard of your qualities,
अपूर्ण कल्पित वचन नहीं है.
it is not Kapol Kalpit. Hey Radhe,
मैं जो कुछ भी
whatever
कह रही हूँ
I am saying,
ये अतीव सत्य है
this is true.
कि मैंने सुना.
which I have heard.
देवांगना कहने लगी,
Devangana said, whatever I have heard, the glories of yours, so I have described the same.
और कि वो चीज अतिरंजित नहीं है, अधिक करके मैं कुछ नहीं,
And it is not the hyperbole.
क्योंकि कभी-कभी
I am not adding anything here because sometimes we have seen
स्वार्थ सिद्धि के लिए
for their selfishness
अतिरंजित शब्द
they used to speak so many words adding with their own imagination. They used to do so much flattery.
जैसे उदाहरण,
Just like example is given,
एक कौवा
when there was a crow,
कोई मांस के टुकड़ा उसके लिए,
he got a piece of meat
और उसको देख करके
and seeing that
क्या बोलते हैं जो
Siar, jackal,
वो लाला से
Siar,
खाई तो उसकी
jackal, Siar jackal.
और कौवा
Loin.
के ऊपर डाल पर बैठे हुए
The crow was sitting on the branch of the tree, and what that Siar, the jackal, did,
और वर्णन करते करते इतने अतिरंजित वर्णन करने लगे कौवे के,
so the jackal was describing so much glory of the crow.
प्रशंसा आत्म प्रशंसा सुन करके
So, hearing the glory of his, the crow was so much pleased, and at least Siar said, the jackal said, it has been a long time.
तुम्हारे मुख से तुम्हारे जो स्वर को मैं नहीं
I never heard your voice, beautiful voice, very sweet voice. So you do the kirtan in a very sweet voice. I remember also today. So just tell something and sing something. So hearing the self praise, so the crow opened the mouth and the piece of meat fall down on the ground, and jackal took that piece of meat and he went away.
मांस के टुकड़ा लेकर के
भाग गया.
और कौवे
And the crow, he was singing ka 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 like this.
इसमें
So in this way, what is I mean to say here?
जिस प्रकार
Just like that jackal,
मांस के टुकड़े
for their selfishness, he was praising to that crow.
प्रशंसा सुना है,
In the same way,
और वो आत्म प्रशंसा सुन करके
hearing his
सुन करके वो
glorification,
अपने
that crow was so much happy, and he has fall down the piece of meat from his mouth. In the same way, here it is saying, Krishna is saying
देवांगना का है,
that Devangana is saying, Hey Shri Radhike,
मेरा कोई स्वार्थ नहीं
I don't have any kinds of selfishness here,
है, अतिरंजित होकर के मैं कुछ नहीं कहा,
and I am not adding anything from my side.
आपकी महिमा है, देवी पार्वती की
Whatever the glorification I have heard from the Parvati Devi,
है, वही आपके निकट
so I am presenting the same before you.
है। तुम्हारे गुणों का वर्णन सुनकर
When I heard of your qualities, I developed an intense desire to meet with you.
अभिलाषा
It is true that seeing you has fulfilled my desire, but still my heart is burning with distress. The only reason my heart has not shattered in its fire is because it is so hard.
अत्यधिक संताप प्रज्वलित हुआ है, वह ताप मेरी अंतर आत्मा के अत्यंत कठोर होने के कारण इस समय भी उसे टुकड़े टुकड़े नहीं कर पा रहा है। ये वास्तव जो मेरे मन में इतने कठोर उत्कंठा जो
I have so much eagerness in my mind, heart,
ये आपकी एक बार दर्शन करो।
that I would like to take your darshan once only. But
राधा जी की दर्शन वास्तव ये सत्य है,
so this is true that Radhaji's darshan,
वाली प्रियों के लिए संभव ही नहीं।
it is not possible to take the darshan of Radhika Rani who is staying in the Swarga
मेरे हृदय
for
में
those ladies.
अभिलाषा होने
But still I have so much eagerness in my mind to take your darshan.
के मैं यहाँ पर आई हूँ,
That's why I have come here.
और मेरे हृदय में
And in my heart,
संताप प्रज्वलित
my heart has not shattered. It's
मेरी अंतरात्मा को
in its fire is because it's so hard.
कारण उस समय ही उसे टुकड़े कर नहीं पाया है। देवांगना इसलिए कहा,
So Devangana saying in this way,
इस प्रकार देवांगना के वेशधारी
So Shri Radhika, who is most loving, heard the heavenly damsel's words, which were full of unbearable agony, and asked, "My friend, what has caused your intense and intolerable suffering? Please tell me straight away." So now Radhika is saying,
आपके हृदय में इतने वेदना कष्ट के
"How you are so much suffering? So what is the reason? What is the cause of that? Please tell me. I would like to know."
राधिका पुनः पुनः
So Radhika again and again,
प्रश्न करने लगी तो
when she was asking the same question, so tears flowed intensely from the damsel's eyes, her throat choked up, and she was unable to speak. Shri Radhika gently wiped the damsel's face and eyes with her own soft veil.
वसन अंचल द्वारा पशुजल से परिपूर्ण उनके नयन और मुख धीरे धीरे
38.
पोंछने लगे। कृष्ण कैसे
So Krishna is so clever.
क्या बोले ड्रामा करने में कृष्ण
So he is so much expert in doing drama.
चतुर है।
He is very expert.
कि राधा जी के थोड़ी सी भी भनक नहीं लगा
So because Radhaji was not able to understand he is the Krishna. He is so much a great artist. So that's why
तो इसको भाव कहा जाता है।
this is all called the Striyochit Bhava, means all the ladies,
ये अपने जो भावों के इतना रूप में प्रकट करते हैं उसके किसी को प्रकटना संभव नहीं है।
so they were expressing their feeling in the same, in the way no one can understand. And when Krishna got the form of that lady,
आप ये समझ लिए
so
कृष्ण कितना चतुर है।
so how Krishna is clever, you cannot understand, you cannot imagine.
आज इसलिए कृष्ण
That's why Krishna,
ऐसे सुंदर इसलिए ऊपर से दिखा रहे हैं।
he is externally showing this, my heart is melted, the tears is falling down from her eyes, just like in a drama artist,
वो जो ड्रामा करने वाले
the person who are playing the role of in the drama, so they are doing this kinds of drama that no one can understand.
जिससे हमारी भक्ति में
Just like our Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, he said,
ये आज से करीब मानो 50-60 साल
maybe 50-60 years ago,
स्त्रियां जो है
the ladies,
ड्रामा नहीं करती।
they never played a role, like they were not taking the participation in the drama, especially
ग्राम अंचल में जो है
in the Gram Anchal.
नाटक फाटक में नहीं।
They never take a part in all these kinds of drama and the play.
इसलिए
So in this way,
उस ग्रामांचल में
in that Gram Anchal,
रूरल एरिया
rural area,
ग्रामांचल जो लोग नाटक करते हैं
Gram Anchal means Gram Anchal means in the villages. So one man will take the part of the lady's role. One male body will play the role of a lady.
कि कहीं भी करें तथापि कहीं कुछ उनकी जो है
So whatever they do, maybe someone can understand that she is not the lady, she is the gents, she is the purush.
उनके चलना बोलना
They are walking, they are speaking, they are talking.
पकड़ आता
Someone can catch easily.
है। किंतु
But
कृष्ण जब
Krishna, when he got the form of lady and he is performing this leela, and Radhaji was not able to understand that he is Krishna.
इसलिए राधा जी सब
That's
अपने
why
बिल्कुल, वसंत अंचल के द्वारा और उनकी आंखों की आंसू
so Shri Radha gently wiped the damsel's face and eyes with her own soft veil and giving sympathy to her.
कितने हृदय में
And Krishna is expressing in this way that how he is suffering in his heart. Ajaho.
यहाँ पर टीकाकार भी कहते हैं
So here, so the intents behind Shri Krishna's display of deep inner grief was to make a convinced show that his grief was genuine.
ऐसे था वो कीर्तन आरंभ है कि नहीं?
बस होने वाला है गुरुदेव. It's going to start.
देवांगना वेदारी श्री कृष्ण
So the heavenly damsels remained in that mood for a moment and then calmly and patiently replied,
धैर्य धारण कर राधा जी से बोली
O innocent one, Shri Krishna is a licentious debauchee. What is this?
ऐसे कामुक से तुम्हारा
How could you fall in love with such a lusty person?
देवांगना
So Devangana saying, the Krishna in this way saying,
है
Krishna in the form of the, yes.
कौन किसको बोल रहे
So you have to pay attention there, who is saying to who. So here Shri Krishna is in the form of Devangana, she is saying like this.
जैसे तो राधा जी आगे जाके के जाएगी
आगे आगे पकड़े जाएंगे क्या?
अरे यही तो, for that you have to be here on all the classes. To be continued.
किंतु कृष्ण के लिए ऐसे शब्द करना राधा जी के लिए सहन करना संभव नहीं, क्योंकि पता तब भी राधा जी कैसे स्थिर है कृष्ण के प्रति कोई सामान्य रूप में
In a general way, for Krishna, somebody say this kinds of
राधा जी सहन नहीं सकते।
word, Radhaji cannot understand. If she says,
बिटा के कहते हैं
just like a mother,
कि चोर,
she says that you are rascal, you are cheater, you are.
दूसरे व्यक्ति
But if some other person says to his son, to her son, so she cannot tolerate. In the same way, Radhaji can say anything to Krishna, but some other person says, so Radhaji cannot tolerate. Yes, this happens.
है, किंतु ये देवांगना जो है अतः कृष्ण वेदारी कृष्ण के लिए क्या कहे?
So this Devangana, what is she saying?
से तुम्हारा प्रेम किस प्रकार हुआ?
So how could you fall in love with such a lusty person? In this world, your prem is unequaled because it is causeless, it is indestructible, and
हेतु नहीं है।
and because it is so powerful, nothing can check it.
इसका वेग इतना प्रबल है कि किसी कारण से
Yet those who knowingly make something that is unworthy the object of their loyalty, one cause distress to themselves and their dear ones.
पर भी
So what is the definition of love actually? When there is a cause of destroying, when there is a cause of destruction but still it is not destructive, this is called love.
कारण उपस्थित इस संसार में
Whereas there is a
उपस्थित होने पर
When there is a reason arise and love gone.
प्रेम के यही दर्शन
But in the transcendental world, this is the definition of love. When there is a reason to destruction of love, but still it is not destroying.
करके और क्या होगा?
It's increasing more and more. This is the nature of transcendental world. This is called love.
इसलिए किसी कारण से
So-
रोका नहीं जा सकता है, क्योंकि वह लोग जानबूझकर अयोग्य स्थान पर विश्वास स्थापन करते हैं, जो अपने को तथा आत्मीय स्वजन को केवल दुख ही देते हैं।
So here those who Chalo. So we will describe tomorrow. So we have discussed till 39 shloka today. So tomorrow, so we will start from 40 number shloka tomorrow. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Thank you for tolerating me. Hare Krishna.
ये चकवटी ठाकुर